Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What does your father do?
He's a doctor.
What does your mother do?
She's a teacher.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
How old is your brother?
He is 15 years old.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My little brother is the youngest.
Do you visit your grandparents often?
Yes, every weekend.
Are your parents strict?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I do the dishes.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother usually cooks.
Is your family big or small?
It's quite big.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, we have a cat.
Do your siblings study well?
Yes, they are smart.
What do you like to do with your family?
We like to watch movies together.
Do you go on vacation with your family?
Yes, every summer.
Who is your favorite family member?
I love everyone.
Do you look like your mom or your dad?
I look like my dad.
How do you celebrate birthdays in your family?
We have a party at home.